Welcome back to CarScope, the channel where we bring you the most exciting updates from the automotive world. And today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the brand new 2026 Honda Civic. For years, the Honda Civic has been a symbol of reliability, efficiency, and everyday practicality. But Honda has taken things to a whole new level with this latest model. If you thought the Civic couldn't get any better, the 2026 version is here to prove otherwise, right from the moment you look at it. The 2026 Civic feels like a complete evolution. Honda has reshaped the exterior with sharper lines, a more aerodynamic profile, and a bolder front grille that instantly catches your eye. The LED headlights are slimmer, giving the Civic a sportier, more confident look. The rear end has also been refined with cleaner taillight designs and a slightly wider stance that enhances stability and road presence, whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the highway. The new Civic looks modern, aggressive, and far more premium than ever before. But the design is just the beginning. Under the hood, Honda offers multiple engine options, including a more efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivering improved horsepower and torque. Honda has also enhanced fuel economy for drivers who prioritize efficiency. And for those who crave excitement, the 2026 Civic introduces performance-focused trims that are sharper, quicker, and more responsive. Honda's updated CVT and available manual options ensure that the driving experience stays engaging, smooth, and fun. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Honda Civic takes a major leap forward. Step inside and you're greeted with a clean and upscale layout that feels more like something from a luxury segment. Honda has upgraded the materials, improved sound insulation, and expanded interior space to make both the driver and passengers more comfortable. The digital instrument cluster, larger infotainment screen, and seamless smartphone connectivity make the entire driving experience feel smarter and more intuitive. Honda has also added new driver assistance features and improved safety technology to help protect you on every journey. What really makes the 2026 Civic stand? That is the balance it strikes between practicality and excitement. It's still affordable, still reliable, and still efficient. But now it brings a sense of style and sophistication that pushes it ahead of many competitors. Whether you're a student, a daily commuter, or someone who simply loves driving, the new Civic offers something for everyone. So if you're thinking about upgrading your next car, the 2026 Honda Civic should definitely be on your radar. It's bold, modern, efficient, and built to deliver a fantastic driving experience. Thanks for watching CarScope, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content.